So, after reach a city kill some and build some now, the first place where we go, Aquarius record shop. Them time it a run by the virgin when name Earl.
Earl Eels.
Yes. We won the record label when name
Duke.
Yeah, man, you know what
Come
the truth.
just remember say your voice. You did voice to him too. Come remember
the
that
truth.
record. Yeah.
Are the truth. Simple Simon. Tell Earl say you are going to you time bad, you know. Sound like Ninja Man, you know. Saying him name Glenn Ford. So Earl say, make we hear him. You see them time you have to display the talent or showcase the talent, whatsoever way you want to word it, in front of the crowd. So Aquarius Record Shop was one of the places where artists go.
No, this was like an embassy.
Yes.
This are like the
display
school. Yeah.
or showcase
Yeah.
them talent. So them give me the talker phone.